Hello, friends. It gives me pleasure once again to be with you and tell you something about a very interesting state in India, which is Maharashtra. Salutations to our gurus and our parents, without whom we cannot be here. As usual, we go without any face because when there is a face, there is a negative criticism which can lead to the sidelines of bickering on the main subject itself. When the situation demands, when truly the philosophy of this recorder is found to be good for the welfare of the society, then there is every chance that for the service of the people globally, you can see the recorder of this program. Maharashtra has got wonderful culture behind it. There is Chhatrapati Shivaji and many freedom fighters. Not only that, the state is a business capital of India and a semi-agricultural supplier of important grains like onions, potatoes. The culture of Maharashtra people and the language is also sweet. You find reverence to Lord Ganesha. What are all these signs? How are they coming? Today, there is no better subject than astrology to find the psychology of a person or a state for that matter. You can know and learn the psychology very easily with astrology. But only few people will reach the correct path and target. If the book of their planets, their birth planets is not good, they will end up losing the interest or going into the sideline. Learning astrology is not easy and it is a lifetime work like advocacy, medicine. Well, let's come back to the subject Maharashtra. Maharashtra, friends, appears to be in this sign of Vrishabha Rasi. There is another state, even Uttar Pradesh also. It also appears under the sign of Vrishabha Rasi. Vrishabha Rasi is lauded by Venus. Venus is for bhakti, arts, rakti, pleasure. Venus is the vehicle. Jyotish says that Venus is a Vahana Karaka. So all vehicles, our own body is a vehicle, isn't it? To reach the Almighty. The star Bharani, which is a representative of Venus, is found in Mesha Rasi. That is the reason why Venus is representing bhakti at a atmic level. Mind you, Mesha Rasi is at Lagna level or atmic level. Venus also opens the pineal gland in Meena Rasi. This is the reason for Venus being the important planet. Through music or through even poetry also, one can get connected to bhakti. Not only Venus, but Sun is for his Atma Gnana, and Ketu is also for the drive for moksha and liberation. Ketu is a serpent without head. So those people who have got Ketu in the 7th house or in the important houses of 5, 9, Lagna, they end up in the pursuit of moksha at the fag end of their lives at least. So let us see what is the food and the psyche of the people of Maharashtra. They call it as Zevan Zhala Ka. I know a little bit of Marathi. The food that they mostly take there in Maharashtra is number one, onion. Onion is must for them. I think it's a bit of very hot climate too for Maharashtrians. And bakri is another food. It is the roti made of maize. Bakri with onion and of late, that is about say 200 years, the scene is shifting to batata vada. The scene has shifted to batata vada. Batata is a root which is grown under the earth. That is the Rahu Tattva. Rahu is in Mooladhara. Rahu is also there posited in Vrishaba Rasi. Rahu is for rights and Mooladhara afflictions. For example, if you want to purchase an ice cream which costs around 10 rupees, you have only 8 rupees in your pocket. Then these people with Rahu, they beg, borrow or steal for the remaining 2 rupees and they finally eat the ice cream and see their wishes are fulfilled. Not only that, they have got big desires also. People born with Rahu influence. So for the state of Maharashtra in the Vrishaba Rasi, Bhakti seems to be the culture behind it. Wherever there is sun, there is a sun star Kritika, there will be palaces and the kingdom. There we found Chhatrapati Shivaji in the history of Maharashtra. Not only that, if you see the second house, the house of Mukhadwara, or the food, there we find Rahu there also, Ardra, and Guru and Kuja also. So Guru is once again Chana Dal, and the batata and chana dal will make the batata vada for them. And sun is the main planet which gives them the political fervor. For the state, they have opposed the British rule. And generally the surname of Maharashtrians ends up with Kar, Veer Savarkar, Tendulkar, Gavaskar, Vengsarkar. So Kar means they are coming from a particular place, Mumbai Kar. So this way it goes. They take the quantity of onions, batata, chana dal, truly sumptuous food. Then what about the spiritual aspect to the very important historical monument Shirdi? For Vrishabha Rasi, Jupiter, the Guru Tattva, though it is represented by a non-helping sun, and Guru also a non-helping Guru for Vrishabha Rasi is a malefic. But Guru makes them to stand because Vrishabha Rasi means money calculations, and the spiritual aspect of the Vrishabha Rasi makes them to stand in Dharma. Only in this Rasi of Akti nature we find Guru importance, but not in Kanya and Makara. So Guru Tattva and Shirdi Sai in Surya Tattva has come up in Maharashtra. You see, the culture is represented by planet Venus, and there is a star Rohini. Rohini represents white color, and even Venus also is said to be in white colors. So the ascendant is Vrishabha Rasi with Venus representing cloth also. Venus is for clothes. So people in Maharashtra in the olden culture, they used to wear the topi, and ladies also they used to wear sari in a particular fashion, having three plaits between the legs, back side and front side also. That sort of traditional culture goes with bhakti in the olden ages. And when you see the people, two types of people are found. One is for bhakti and classy type of people. For both of these bhakti and classy type of people, moon plays a very important part. They receive the people around very well. Maharashtrians, to start with, are very hearty and very calm and very receiving type. There is other type of people also that is dictated by the presence of Rahu and Sun. They are bit authoritative in the guise of Dharma of Jupiter, Guru and Rahu. This much of bossing is found in some what you call as urban areas and in rural areas too, in villages too. Some people who are more into realization of Maya than Bhakti, they always go towards bickerings with people and end up in small quarrels, demanding rights. And the Ganapati Bhakti has also helped the people of Maharashtra on the classy side to go into Sadbuddhi. Ganapati normally is represented by the planet Mercury, Buddha. Buddha is the second and fifth lord, which is responsible for Buddhi and Siddhi. Siddhi Vinayak temple is there in Mumbai. So Siddhi for education is also found with Mercury and Ganesh. Ganpati Bappa Moria, they say. Udcha Varshi Laukarya. So Maharashtrians, they also have Jyotirlinga temples, Nasik, Trayambak, Parli Baijnath. Maybe I may be wrong or I may be right. It is for you to judge. So Maharashtra has got a Shiva Tattva as the Lord, sign Lord, Vrishabha Rasi Lord is Bull, Nandi, Nandishwara, who is the vehicle of Lord Shiva, found in front of the statues of Shiva in temples. So that is why there is a Shiva Shena also. Luckily, they have taken the Shiva Bhakti. Most of the people in the Maharashtra, lot of Shiva worship is also there. So Shiva Sena is also there, the political party. Venus is also a political sign, isn't it? Venus is also a business sign, is a business capital, the Mumbai city, the wholesale and the transport. Facilities good to approach Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bangalore, and the places around. So this is a strait where on one side is lavish film field of Bollywood and the industrialization represented by the star Margashira in Vrishabha Rasi has given a lot of industrial development to Maharashtra in Mumbai and Pune and small other cities. Not only that, we find as Venus is Ras with it's a bit of water is also there, isn't it? Moon is water with exaltation of water in Vrishabha Rasi. There are watery fruits also, like we got sweet orange from Nagpur, Santra, well noted all over India. So with these few words, my friends, Maharashtra is a state vibrant with development, finance. The financial culture of the people is also seen very much in the psyche of the people because Venus is the planet for finance also. Families are well on the hunt for money nowadays, and the Rahu aspect in Vrishabha Rasi makes them go after big money and big desires, and the house problem in big cities like Mumbai is only to be believed or seen than rather talked about. Venus once again is the planet for houses. We have spoken many things about the people and the culture. Here there is a star Margashira which represents brotherhood. So there is a festival Bhaiya Dooj after Diwali, was well celebrated in Maharashtra. Jai Deva, Jai Mangal Murti. They sing songs in the praise of Lord Ganesh. And Lakshmi goddess is also represented with the planet Venus. That is why we find Kolhapuri Lakshmi temple there. Being a spiritual sign Venus, there are sons who originated from Maharashtra, like Sant Tukaram. truly a state with bhakti and good culture on one side and a bit of passion for big desire and manipulative type of people on the other side also. To be careful whenever we visit Maharashtra. Don't be overawed by the rough side of the people when you come across few of them, but they are hearty inside. If you don't go in a wrong way, you will be very friendly with them. That is what this audio is all about. Thank you for giving me your time.